Now that we know how to count in base 10 and in base 2, let us now show the value of the individual digits in these numbers by expanding them by the power of their base. Solution. For A, we have 110101 base 2. Now, this gives us, now we multiply each of the digits by the base, so we'd have 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2. All in brackets. Now we then begin to give power from the unit. So we have here as power of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. So now let's see what these values are. That is what we have here is 1 multiplied by, now 2 with the power of 5. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2, and we have 32. So this is 1 multiplied by 32 plus, here we have 1 multiplied by 16 plus 0 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 4 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1. That is, we have 132s, 116s, 08s, 14s, 02s, and 1 unit. Now let's solve for B. We have 2, 4, 3, 1 base 5. This implies that we would have 2 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1 multiplied by 5. Now let's give it power from the unit. So we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now what does this give us? That is, we have 2 multiplied by, now 5 times 5 is 25, times 5, and we have 125, plus 4 times 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 3 times 5, plus 1 times 1. That is, we have 2 125s, 4 25s, 3 5s, and 1 unit. Now C. We have 7, 3, 5, and 4 base 8. Now to expand this, we would have 7 multiplied by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 8 plus 5 multiplied by 8 plus 4 multiplied by 8. And given a power, we would have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now what do we have here? We have 7 multiplied by, now 8 times 8 is 64, times 8, and then we have 512, plus 3 times 8 times 8, and that is 64, plus 5 times 8, plus 4 times 1. This implies we have 7 512s, 3 64s, 5 8s, and 4 units. Now take note that this method of expansion by or in the unit of their base is also the method that we use to convert from a particular base to base 10. Thank you.